Hi dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. From majestic mountain ranges to bustling cityscapes, Eastern Europe captivates. But have you ever noticed a curious trend? Many of its flags share a striking resemblance, a symphony of red, white, and blue. Today, we embark on a historical journey, delving into the stories behind these shared colors, uncovering the symbolism, the struggles, and the enduring spirit woven into every stripe and star. But before starting the video, do subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet and hit that bell icon to receive every video notification. Roots in revolution, the Pan-Slavic colors and a dream of unity. Our story begins in the 19th century, a time of political upheaval and yearning for unity. Pan-Slavism, a movement advocating for cultural and political solidarity among Slavic peoples, emerged. And what better way to symbolize this shared identity than a common flag? So, the Pan-Slavic colors, red for courage and bloodshed, white for purity and peace, and blue for the vast skies and rivers were born. Beyond borders, adapting the palette, embracing individuality. But each nation within the Pan-Slavic dream had its own unique story, its own aspirations. While the core colors remained, flags diverged with subtle variations. Some incorporated national emblems, like Poland's white eagle. Others adjusted the shades, like the deeper blue of Serbia's flag. Each alteration became a brushstroke on the canvas of their individual identities, woven into the Pan-Slavic tapestry. From empires to independence, a palette reflecting change. The 20th century saw Eastern Europe swept by a tide of change. Empires crumbled, independence bloomed, and flags became symbols of newfound sovereignty. Czechoslovakia broke free with its distinctive blue triangle, while Croatia added a yellow shield, each variation a declaration of self-determination. The Pan-Slavic colors remained, a testament to shared roots, but now adapted to reflect the specific hopes and struggles of each nation. Resilience and hope, beyond the colors, a shared spirit. Today, the flags of Eastern Europe flutter proudly, each stripe and star holding stories of resilience, revolution, and unwavering spirit. While the shared colors remind us of the Pan-Slavic dream, they also celebrate the rich tapestry of individual identities woven through history. These flags are more than just pieces of fabric. They are visual narratives of past struggles, present aspirations, and a continued hope for a future bound by shared roots and diverse dreams. If you liked the video, do me a favor, share the video and drop your thoughts in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, goodbye.